Check it out, folks. Look, the 4th of July is just right around the corner, right? Listen, if you're looking to raise your chicken game up, then check this video out. Let's get it. Okay, so look, like all my other videos, all of the ingredient list, you know what I mean, with the measurements will be down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and make this marinade, right? So come on in here right now. If you guys haven't seen, look, this right here is genius. You know, it's super simple, but it make your life so much better. But check it out. Now we just finna go ahead and put it here. Bring it over here to this side, right? And then you just open this up like this. And check that out, folks. Super simple. This right here, man, this right here is fire, folks. So let's go ahead and just put our ingredients in the bag, right? So I'll start with my W sauce, soy sauce, lemon juice, vinegar. Now, I want you guys to take a look at this right here, right? Look, this is that branch and vine. This is that Rosemary infused olive oil, right? Listen, when you use, you know, the top-notch ingredients, this is how everything just turns out like way over the top, right? So I'll go ahead and add my infused olive oil, garlic powder, and then here, we're gonna add our Dijon Mustard. Now we'll go ahead and add some fresh black cracked pepper. Now this right here, look, just go ahead and grind until you're tired. Then we're gonna add a little kosher salt. Just a pinch, that's all you need. We just wanna wake it up just a little bit, right? All right, now we're gonna add the fresh rosemary. And then last but not least, we're gonna come with the brown sugar. Okay, so look, get yourself a whisk, and then what we're gonna do is just get all of this to incorporate, you know, together, right? And I like to make this first, you know, because we put that brown sugar. I just want to make sure everything is nicely, you know, married together, you know, blended together. Once we have it like that, this is gonna be our marinade, folks. Now, I want to talk to you guys about the chicken, like what I do to the chicken. Look, these are just boneless, skinless thighs, right? Depends on the manufacturer. You can see it's got a little fat on it, stuff like that. So listen, what I want to do is I'm gonna trim these up, cut them, cut the breast. Anyway, look, I'm not gonna over talk it. Let me just show you. Obviously, we want to get this off of here, right? We just want to just make a little, you know, series of cuts right along the fat, and you can see it kind of like comes out. It's okay to have a little bit on here, you know what I mean? But any of it that I can trim without spending like, you know, 30 minutes on each piece, I do. So now we'll come to the breast. Look, this is what we're gonna do. You could look, this always thicker at this top part of the breast, right? So what we wanna do is take some of this out, right? So I just come, look at it, divide that by, you know, just wanna do it halfway, right? Look at it like this, and that's fine. Now you can take it, and you can sort of like just butterfly it, right? Make sure your knife is sharp. Then we just take it like this. And there you have it. Okay, so you just saw me cut the breast down, right? So look, get yourself some saran wrap. Just go ahead and cover it. I'm gonna use the smooth side. I use this side right here when I'm doing steaks, you know, or something like that. But for chicken, just use this. Got my breast. We'll just add it in here just like that. This right here will make a nice grilled sandwich. So now we just take this off, right? Move this over here. Now for me, I like to just hold it, squeeze out as much air as I can, go ahead and close it like that, and now we just move it around. I could have put a lot, you know, a few more pieces of chicken in here, but this is what we want to do right here. I want you guys to take a look at that right there. Ooh-wee. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, right? So check it out. If you're gonna grill tomorrow, you do this the day before, like the day before the holiday, the big grill day or whatever, and you just want to put it in 8 hours and above. So I'm gonna go in right now. This is probably gonna get about 13 hours inside of this, but right now we going in the refrigerator. Super simple, folks. It's just really just that simple. So what I did was I went ahead and just like pan, you know, I guess you could say pan fried or pan seared, you know, my chicken breast, right? But listen, when you use the Check it out, when you use that brown sugar, you know, it puts that little crust on the outside of that. You wanna make sure that anytime you're doing food, especially chicken, you wanna make sure it's cooked all the way to 165 in the center, right? I checked it in several spots just to make sure we was at 165. Hey, listen, this right here is super over the top. I promise you, you put this out, especially if you put them out on the grill. Hey, listen, I'm not finna over talk it. You guys see it. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And with that,